I mean, if you want to start looking better, you got to set a goal and you got to start in the gym. So before you go into the gym, have a good goal. And you got to find a good gym that has a lot of good equipment and it's pretty nice to be around, and not too expensive, and it fits in your budget, you can go there consistently. You got to look up the equipment and the form on how to do it, because if you do it wrong, then you're going to die and probably die. And asking for a tour would be pretty helpful because you can find out everything that you need. And when you get started, just do like the simple things like bench press, push-ups. Don't do deadlift or squat. Yeah, those are kind of more dangerous. But just stick to easy stuff. Just get in there, get started. Then make a routine when you get further along. It's something simple you can do every day, or maybe 3 days a week, maybe 1 day a week. 3 days a week is pretty good. 3-4 days a week, good starting point. Just get used to going on maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and just stick to that for a while, and then do some more later. Then if you really want to, you can get a personal trainer to really help you get better and really help you learn more and grow more. And to really actually make progress, you guys stay consistent and start doing some more stuff.